So your language affects your confidence level. You don't say it's a problem. A better word for that is a challenge. Very good. Another word for challenge could be make it even more positive. Like instead of saying, I am challenged to work with you, say something like, letter O, an opportunity. Diba? That's right. So you don't say, I have a problem working with you because it sounds like it's K-drama. Diba? Challenge is good because that means every challenge is supposed to be surpassed. But you can even push it and say, I see an opportunity on how you and I can work better. Instead of saying weakness, which incriminates that you have an imperfection, a better word or phrase to use is, in your annual evaluation, what do you use instead of weakness? That's right. You can say area of improvement or area of development.